Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the EBS class. So, all are read with me. First, all are sit properly on your videos. Look at the board, all the children. Okay, had your breakfast, all the children? Yes. Okay. So, all of us say environmental studies spelling, children. ENVI, RON, MENTAL, environmental studies. STUDIES, environmental studies. ENVI, RON, MENTAL, STUDIES, studies, environmental studies. Okay. So previous I taught lesson. What is the lesson name, children? What is the lesson name? Work people do. What is the lesson name? Work people do. WORK, work. PEOPLE, people. DO, do. So the lesson name is work people do. Work people do. Yesterday I taught you about Vaibhav and his mother discussed about cleaning the bathroom. Okay, and next Soumya's grandfather. Soumya and Soumya's grandfather discussing about that what occupations. Okay, in his surroundings occupations, cleaners. Okay, they are discussed about occupations, people who help us. What I taught yesterday? People who help us. Okay, listen carefully, all the children. Look at the board, sit properly. So Dania is a occupation. What is occupation? Dania's occupation. Yes, sweeper. And what about Shamlal? Shamlal occupation is a gardener. And next Mohan. Mohan is a garbage collector. Okay. And next one, Ranjit brings newspaper and Sohan delivers milk and Mohini cooks food in a house for the family and Santanu brings fresh vegetables in pushcart. Okay. And Sevakram is a grocer who supplies grocery. Hariram is a local presswala. He irons clothes also. And Bhagat cleans Soumya's father's car every morning. And Rajesh is the security guard who keeps a watch on the locality. Okay, I told you locality, who are the present in local area. These all the people are work. These all the people are works. Okay, so here, see here, Soumya's grandfather, these said that we must give respect to all these helpers. These all are the helpers: sweeper, gardener, garbage collector, and delivers milk, means milkman, and Mohini cooks the food, another houses, and brings the fresh vegetables. So these all the people are helpers. So that is why we must give respect these all the people. I think in your house surroundings also these all are the helpers are there. So some of the people are cleaning the drainages and sweeps the roads. Am I correct, children? In your house surroundings also these all helpers are there. Did you understand, children? Okay, right. So, and next one, they help us to keep surroundings safe. If they are not help, once you imagine children, once you imagine, if they are not help, if they not have the helpers, imagine if no one took up job of keeping the roads clean or next disposing garbages properly, there would be mounds of rubbish and filth all around. Means dirty. Filth. F-I-L-T-H. Filth means dirt. So if imagine, you once imagine, no one took up the garbage, no one took up the job of keeping roads clean or next disposing garbages properly. What happened? So it's totally filled the roads. It is totally filled the roads with the dust. Am I correct, children? And again, drains also. So totally it is filth. So filth means dirt. Did you understand all the children? Move ahead. Okay. And to do cleaning, they are forced to work with should respect them more because they keep surroundings clean. We must give the respect about these helpers. So they are, if they are not have what happened, immediately the drains are very filled, very dirt, and the garbages are roads also. Okay, roads also very dirt. So these all are the helpers. All are very important. So these all are the called helpers. Helpers are very important. Did you understand all the children? Okay. So dignity of labor because they keep our surroundings clean. That is why we are called a dignity of labor. Dignity of these helpers are called a dignity of labor. Dignity of labor. L-A-B-O-U-R, labor. These helpers are called a dignity of labor. Did you understand, Bhavani? Vishnuvardhan, listen carefully. Okay? Is a measure of respecting of all kinds of jobs without feeling that one kind of jobs is superior to another. So these all the helpers have another again one superior. These all the helpers have a one superior. Okay? Superior. Did you understand all the children about that? Helpers. So who helped to us? Same in our surroundings also. These all the people are helping to me, helps to me. See, not only the Soumya's, this lesson is explained now about the helpers explained to Soumya's grandfather. But in our surroundings also have the drains, and in our surroundings also have the roads. In our surroundings also have the, for example, you take one Ramanapet Mandal. So in Ramanapet Mandal also same sweeper is there. Guess what? Sweeps the roads and the milkman. Am I correct, children? And what's next watchman or next and the pressman, local press area also have pressman, local news, Ramanapeta local news. So, and next one, supplies grocery, like groceries also, supplies of groceries, helpers. These all are the helpers. Okay, children. Same in our surroundings also have like that. So here given that activity one. So essential services in your surroundings, in your house, essential services, who provided? So here given that provided by. So you write this. For example, milkman. You in your house who brought milk, who are provided? You write here. Okay, children. Or next one, cleaning the roads, cleans the roads. You write here who are provided. Okay, children. Did you understand this one? This is the activity for FA. Can you see here? List 6 essential services you need every day. Name the people who provide these services to you. Who provided these services? Textbook page number 25. Textbook page number 25. Did you understand all the children? Srishant, listen carefully. Okay? Essential services, 6 essential services. List 6 essential services you need every day. You need every day. Every day, what essential services are there? You write here 6. So, who provide these services to you? Who are provided these services? You write here. Did you understand all the children? Essential services and provided by. List the essential services and provided by. Did you understand all the children? So next one, dignity of labor. So those who are helpers, who are their helpers? So that people are called dignity of labor. Okay. No work is inferior. Next one is no work is inferior. What is the next topic? No work is inferior. So no work is inferior means what is the meaning of no work is inferior? So each and every work is very important. So that is not a cheat. That work is not a cheat. It is very important. First of all, sweeper only very important. Did you understand? Sweeper only very important. So no work is inferior. If in the Indian society, people who clean the toilets were considered mean dirt and untouchable. Dirt and untouchable. Did you understand, children? They were forced to live outside the villages and cities, outside the villages and towns. So these people are living outside the villages and towns. Villages and towns. These people are live. They were forced to live outside the villages and towns. People refused to even to talk to them. They were not allowed to use the same wells or bath in the same ponds and pray in the same temples meant for upper class people. So actually nowadays all are equal. But in that olden times, on that times, that people are so these are different. So they are not mingle with them. They are not mingle with them. So the people are this are differently. So that people see same that they are not drinking same water, same ponds, and pray in the same temples. Means for upper class people. So the people are not untouchable people. On the time we are called untouchable people. Did you understand all the children? Untouchable people. Untouchable people. Means we are called in mother tongue Antaranithanam. Antaranithanam. Okay? Did you understand now? So that people are not sit in the same place in that and next they are not coming in prayer rooms and they are not mingle with another people. They are live what outside of the villages and towns. Okay, children. Did you understand? So he called people who were regarded untouchables as Harijans, which means children of God. These people are called, untouchable people are called Harijans. Nowadays, all are same, equal children. But on the time, we are called like that, untouchable people. But nowadays, they are, nowadays all are mingled with them. Okay? So that people are called Harijans. Okay? And next one, he said, Harijans means children of God. Harijans means children of God. I think here I'm writing. Harijans, which means children of God. Children of God. So these untouchable people are called the Harijans, which means children of God, G-body God. Children of God. Did you understand all the children? So many times he lived with the Harijans in their colonies. So the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was strongly against untouchability. Strongly against that untouchability. He called the people who were regarded untouchables as Harijans. So that people are called the children of God. He worked for the upliftment of Harijans. Many times he lived with the Harijans in their colonies. Okay? He developed self-respect. He developed, Mahatma Gandhi developed these people self-respect and confidence among these people to join the mainstream of the society. Mainstream means it is a combined to the society. Did you understand, children? Combined to the society. Charan, first sit properly. G Charan. Sit properly. Gangapuram Charan. You're sleeping. I can see you. What happened, ma'am? Don't have minimum knowledge. How you are sitting? Gangapuram Charan, did you understand what I'm telling? Why are you laughing? So he developed a self-confidence. Mahatma Gandhi ji was developed a our father of the nation was developed self-confidence and self-respect, self-confidence among these people who joined to the mainstream of the society. Mainstream of the society is combined to the society. These people are combined to the society. He wanted that people of the country should respect all occupations. So we must respect the all occupations. That is very, very important. So actually, first of all, they are not mingled with the remaining people, means upper class people. So after that, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, was strongly against untouchability. Untouchability means already I told you. So that is why you must respect the all works. So all occupations. Not only the sweeper is a sweeper, cleaner. These all are very, very important in our daily life. So you must respect that people. Did you understand all the children? So this is a lesson of the work people do. If you have any doubts in this lesson, you ask me. Raise your hand on your mobile. Okay. So now in this lesson I'm giving you hard words, children. Okay. So did you understand all the children? Just to what is the lesson? Just to professions I told you. So actually profession is a minimum basics. How many professions are there? I gave list for you. And next topic is what I taught professionals, and next sweepers. Next, what? Who help us? Soumya and Soumya's grandfather discussed about the surroundings, cleaning people. So that people purpose, that people and what Shamlal and next Mohan, Ranjit. These people are explained Soumya's grandfather. Okay, so that is only people who help us. And next one, no work is inferior. I explained. No work is inferior. So that is also I explained. So this is a total lesson of work people do. It is very short lesson, but more you read the lesson one. So more meaning is it. So you read the lesson once again and underline hard words. Today now again I am giving you under hard words. Okay, children. So all the take out of your running notes. Work people do. So you must complete up to 3 lessons, pay notes, children. Hard words and question answers you write in your pay notes. Okay? And did you understand, children? So hard words and question answers you complete your pay notes. And the textbook bits, workbook only you write. You don't write textbook bits in your pay notes. Okay? Now write difficult words. See, write Vaibhav. 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 Okay? And next, laze. 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 Around. 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 Quickly. 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 Write fastly and write neatly all the children. Most of the children are not writing. Preetham. Preetham, write Preetham. Okay. Next, promised. 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 Wide. 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 Okay. Next, awake. 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 Shantabai. 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 Explains. 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 Happily. 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 Lowly. Lowly. Lowly means, what is the meaning of lowly? Yesterday I told you. Obediently. Obedient. Low. Next. Clean and gutters. Gutter. Drains. 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 Write fast, children, and write neatly. Next, cheerful. 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 Okay. Sprays. 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 Insecticide. Insecticides. Insecticides. Okay. And next, educated. 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 Gardener. 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 Company. 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 Okay. Helpers. 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 Imagine. Imagine. Dignity. Dignity. Okay. Next, allowed. 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 Occupations. Capital R. First letter always starts with capital, children. So write all the children capital letters. Occupation. 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 Horizons. Harijans. Upliftment. 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 Okay, children? So once I am reading, children, fastly, I will send pick all the children, stop writing and look at the board. Okay? One time I am reading. Bible, lace, around. Look at the board, stop writing, I said. Did you understand? Yes. Bible, lace, around, quickly, promised, wide, awake, Shantabai, explains, happily, lowly, gutter, gutter. Second time I am reading, no, you read that time. I can see you children. Charan, Gangapuram Charan, sit properly and look at the board. Listen carefully and read you also second time. Drains, drains, cheerful, cheerful, sprays, sprays, insecticides, insecticides, educated, educated, gardener, gardener, company, company, help us, help us, imagine, imagine, dignity, dignity, allowed, allowed, occupation, occupation, horizons, horizons, upliftment, upliftment. Okay, did you understand? Shall I read again one time? Okay, look at the board all are Vaibhav, lace, around, quickly, promised, wide. You look at the board, stop reading and look at the board. Awake, Shantabai, explains, happily, lowly, gutter, drains, cheerful, sprays, insecticides, educated, gardener, company, help us, imagine, dignity, allowed, occupation, horizons, upliftment. Okay, children? So, those are finished 3 lessons fair notes. You write in your fair notes these hard words. Okay, thank you, children. I will send pic.